If you are still using a roller and a brush for your big DIY projects, you are wasting hours of your life. And honestly, your arms deserve a break. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best paint sprayers of 2026. Whether you're a weekend warrior trying to tackle a kitchen cabinet remodel, a homeowner looking to refresh an entire backyard fence in a single afternoon, or a professional looking for that flawless glass-like finish, we found the absolute perfect match for your budget and project size. We tested them for overspray, cleanup time, and how well they handle thick, unthinned latex paint right out of the bucket. Everything we mention, including the latest pricing and deals, is linked for you in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out as we go. Let's dive in. 5. Wagner Control Spray. Looking for a professional-grade finish without the professional price tag? The Control Spray Max HVLP paint sprayer is a total game-changer for DIYers and pros alike. Powered by a hefty 2-stage turbine, this versatile machine effortlessly atomizes everything from thin stains and polyurethanes to thinned latex paints, making it perfect for transforming walls, decks, door trim, and furniture. It puts total precision in your hands with an adjustable pressure dial, a material flow controller, and a multi-directional air cap that lets you switch between round, horizontal, or vertical spray patterns on the fly. Best of all, the smart design keeps the heavy turbine stationary on the ground, connecting to the lightweight spray gun via a generous 20-foot hose to virtually eliminate hand fatigue. Packaged with both a 1.5-quart cup and a premium 1-quart metal cup, it provides the ultimate combination of capacity, comfort, and control for an absolutely flawless finish every single time. 4. Dotool RP8628. If you're tackling big DIY projects and want a professional finish without the professional price tag, this 950-watt vertical airless sprayer is an absolute game changer. It is built for pure efficiency, letting you blast through massive wall surfaces, fences, or ceilings way faster than standard rollers and brushes, while handling up to 200 gallons of paint a year with ease. Operation is a breeze, since you can pull paint directly from a 1 or 5-gallon bucket, and the gun features a built-in swivel joint that gives you incredible agility and control. The high-pressure, repeated pump compression delivers a dense, uniform mist, leaving a flawlessly smooth, brushless finish with strong adhesion that actually extends the life of your coating. Whether you're working with water-based or oil-based paints on home interiors, decks, or garages, this kit has you covered. Plus, it comes packed with user-friendly accessories like an 18-inch extension wand and a whopping 45-foot high-pressure hose, meaning you can easily paint roofs or exterior walls without constantly dragging the machine behind you. 3. PEM M-Core PQQ02. If you are tired of getting tangled up in extension cords or hunting for power outlets during your DIY projects, this cordless paint sprayer is an absolute game changer. Powered by 2 massive 4,000 mAh batteries and a high-performance 32,000 RPM pure copper motor, it gives you the ultimate freedom to spray smoothly and evenly anywhere, whether you're up on a ladder, deep in a tight corner, or working far outdoors. It features a massive 1,400 milliliter tank, so you can spend less time refilling and more time painting. Plus an onboard LED light to illuminate dark spaces so you never miss a spot. Best of all, it is incredibly beginner-friendly with its tool-free one-click assembly, 3 versatile spray patterns, and 6 durable brass nozzles that can handle everything from fine furniture detailing to heavy-duty fences and decks. Number 2. Graco X5. If you're a DIY homeowner or a remodeler looking for more power and mobility to tackle larger projects, this sprayer is an absolute game changer. It's ideal for projects up to 10 gallons in size, meaning you can easily power through multiple major projects every single year. You get ultimate control thanks to the fully adjustable pressure settings, which let you spray paints or stains unthinned at any pressure you need. Plus, it features a flexible suction tube, so you can draw paint directly from a 1 or 5-gallon bucket, and it supports up to 75 feet of hose, allowing you to comfortably reach high peaks or second stories without losing a single drop of performance. No. 1. HomeRite Super Finish Max. If you're looking for the ultimate DIY game changer, you need to check out the HomeRite Super Finish Max paint sprayer. This powerhouse packs 450 watts of muscle, letting you easily spray everything from thick latex and chalk paint to thin stains and clear sealers without breaking a sweat. It is incredibly versatile, featuring 3 heavy-duty brass spray tips, which seriously outperform cheap plastic ones, and adjustable settings that let you control both the material flow and the spray pattern, horizontal, vertical, or round, to perfectly match your project. Whether you're refreshing a small dresser, tackling kitchen cabinets, or staining a massive backyard fence, this tool delivers a flawless, professional finish every single time. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year warranty and US-based customer service, giving you total peace of mind while you tackle your next big weekend project. And that wraps up our look at the top 5 best paint sprayers for 2026. Whether you're tackling a massive exterior house remodel or just giving some old furniture a flawless factory finish, there is a sprayer on this list that will save you hours of tedious brushwork. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our upcoming tool reviews and DIY guides. All the exact models we talked about today, along with the latest discounts and up-to-date pricing, are listed right down in the video description below. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're leaning toward for your next project, or if you've used any of these before. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.